Hello viewer, hope you are doing well. So thank you for watching this video. So today we are going to discuss about the UK employment visa processing, UK visa processing, how to we get UK visa for this, what are the English language tests and English language requirement. So today we are going to test. So this is a different process. So we are going to discuss option 2, how to based on our bachelor degree basis of our bachelor degree, how to we obtain English language requirement for the UK visa, UK employment visa and nationality visa. So for this we have to be obtain a confirmation from the ECCTSI agency, which provide you the English language test requirement. So this is the overview. So I'm now going to discuss you how to apply uh, for our English requirement test to ECCTIS agency. So for this, you have to be upload the degree certificate and final year transcript. These both documents are mandatory along with the passport. So this is the high level overview how to we get the English language requirement test. So going to discuss how to obtain a transcript document in order to get our ECCTIS English language test. So for this we have to visit our college where we have completed our bachelor degree to get a transcript document of all our mark sheet. Once we obtain this document, and then we have to make online application to the Mumbai University for the transcript, because in ECCTIS website, university's transcript is mandatory document, not college. So we have to be obtain the university degree transcript. So I'm going to discuss the step how to get the transcript document. So for you have to visit the website ET transcript for the Mumbai University. So both document is required, educational as well as medium of instruction, like in English, which language you have taught your courses. So you need to be tick both the checkbox, and after that you have to be select which degree you have completed. Like for example, only bachelor's. So you have to be go next, and same stream. Okay, next same. If there is any difference, then you have to skip. Like there is no college change. If you have college change, then only you require to fill the detail. And once you have filled, so there is you have to be upload all your documents such as college degree, college degree, along with college degree, all the semester, like whatever the semester, six semester is there in Mumbai. And then after you have to be upload transcript document which you receive from the your college. Make sure you have uploaded the document which is received from your college, because Mumbai University will send an email to your college to confirm the authenticity of the transcript. So once you have uploaded all the document, like you have to mention how many page in the transcript, each page wise you have to be upload. Once you have uploaded, then the purpose you require to select like employment visa, you have to be select for example visa, and then you have to be enter the MU reference number. So this reference number you have to be obtained from. So this is the ECC website. You have to be registered first. So once you register, for example, I have already entered all detail. So once you register, I'm just selected on the register. Yes, I have registered. So I'm just going to log in. I have already on my login ID. So yes, so this is my reference ID. So I have to copy and paste it on my Mumbai University application. So then I have saved, and this automatically they will email ID will capture, like email ID will be going to be a document at the ECCTIS. So once we have completed our Mumbai University document, so this is my application. Then the our transcript document along with the, because Mumbai University does not give directly document to us, so they will directly send the document to the ECCTIS, all the document transcript as well as our mark sheet. Once they have, and along with the medium structure, you have to make the payment some 500 to 600 rupees. So once they send the document, you have to be, once you have made the application, you have to be go to the website, and in you make the chat, you have to make the contact, and in the contact you have to be start a chat, and chat you have to be uh, write a message to them. They're like, I have in India request you to, so in chat they have already mentioned that they will directly upload, once they receive the document they will already they will upload the document on the website, in our login website. So for this, where is it, wait a minute, okay, I'm fine. uh, 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 Give me 1 minute. So yes, this is my, so I have to be start application, logout, I'm just going to sign in. So Insta, I have just created a anonymous Think instant access intelligence. So once you, okay, so they will, I think, asking for the verification of activation account. So I'm just going to activate my account. Yes. So I have activated. So now I'm again just login. Oh, something gone wrong. Sign in. Ali. So yes. So after I have logged in, I have to start the application. So this application number I have to be mentioned on my Mumbai University. So continue. I would like first option English proficiency test, nationality India, immigration rule is for skilled worker. Okay, I have to make signature. Agree. For this purpose, I have to be name Sahib anything Mumbai signature, and then this will asking what method of service you want to use. So first is first. So I'm just going to apply for standard one. Next, yes. So next, whatever the document you have to be upload. Like you don't have transcript, then no worry. You just mention commerce. So we have to be add the qualification. So yes, and from this you have to be right for you don't have a full transcript document, so you have to be skip and mention that our university will directly send all document transcript document to you. Please upload the same on my application. You have to be write this message and skip this for the all whatever document you don't have, and then confirm. After confirm, you will get to the payment gateway, and after the payment gateway, you will able to complete the application. And in 10 to 15 days, they will complete your application, and you will get receive the final version of your ECCPIS certificate. So if I want to show you how it look like in my order status, if you see that they have clearly mentioned, dear Mr. Saidali, your visa application service nationality English proficiency application is now completed. It will be posted to your delivery method. You have chosen opted for the e-statement. This will available for the download via e-statement download section. So if I go, so it is available to in my account, but however it is log out. Yes, so you can see here it is will be visible like download option. Yes, you can see e-statement also. I can now able to download the statement. So this is the all procedure of how to obtain the English proficiency based on our bachelor degree. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please share and comment. Thanks. Hope this video helpful to you.